Hello and welcome to my channel for recipes and instructions. See bottom page. This classic potato leek soup is hearty and full of comforting flavor. Slow simmered with tender potatoes and aromatic leeks, it's finished with a crispy leek garnish for the perfect balance of rustic and elegant. A cozy dish to warm you up on any day. Instructions: prepare the garnish. Slice the green tops of the leek into thin julienne strips. Heat peanut oil in a small pan and fry the leek strips until just crisp but still green. Drain on paper towels and set aside for garnish. Cook the soup. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium-low heat. Add the diced potatoes and stir until coated. Add the diced leek, white and light green parts, and cook gently until fragrant. Pour in the chicken stock and water. Simmer over low heat for about 2 hours, stirring occasionally. Season and finish. Taste and season with sea salt and white pepper. Ladle the soup into bowls. Garnish with the fried julienne leeks. Serve hot. Chef tip: if you prefer a thicker texture, dissolve cornstarch in a little cold water and stir it in during the last 10 minutes of cooking.